everyone! Hi everybody! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox this toy. This is what is this?
Robot.
A robot, yes. This is a gift from Ninong Lee for Luke. So guys, we're going to show you what's inside. Again, this is called Blast Fighter. So what's inside, baby? Let's check. Look at this. Wow, there's a sticker inside. And guys, ito na yung toy. Wow, look at this. Wow, nice one. So guys, meron siyang dalawang robot. There. Look at this. Yes. And these are the remote control. Dalawa din ang batteries para gumana siya. So, it's AAA. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ng 8 pieces. Kailangan natin ng 8 pieces na batteries. So, 2 for the remote and 2 for the robot. So, mamaya papakita namin. Ilalagay lang nila yung stickers and then lalagyan namin ng batteries. And we will show you how to use it. Kung paano sila maglalaban mamaya. Look at this! And these are the remote. So, 2 remote din ang kasama. Guys, Uncle Dio is in the house. So, he's going to help us with the stickers. So, ayan guys. Nilalagyan ni Uncle Dio ng stickers. So, simple lang naman siya. Ilo-locate mo lang kung saan ilalagay yung stickers. Para mas maganda siyang tingnan. So guys, ito yung paglalagay ng batteries. So, dalawang battery for the remote. Kaso, yung battery pala na kailangan for the robot is 3 pieces. So, kailangan namin bumili ng additional. Guys, so tatlong kailangan for the robot.
Boom, boom, boom.
Okay, guys, so it's time to fight. Okay. Who's going to win? Come on, Luke. Luke. Okay, Uncle Dio. Luke is winning. Oh! All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Winner na naman si Luke. Ang galing ah. Okay, Uncle Dio. So, paano ba yan?
Talo.
Talo ka lagi. Okay, one more, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Uncle Dear won. Okay, so Uncle Dear is the green color and Luke is the yellow one. Come on, guys. What happened? What happened to your robot? Fight! Wow, guys, this is so cool. Up! Oh no, Luke, he lost. It's okay. It's ready. Guys, this is the box. Gift to kay Luke. So, Ninong Lee, thank you so much. See? Kung titingnan nyo, nag-i-enjoy silang dalawa. So, this is really perfect for siblings or father and son, friends. Hindi siya boring laruin. And, ayan, it's exciting. Kahit 3-year-old, kayang laruin to. Ay, Uncle Dio, you lost again. Good job. Good job, Luke.